Evolution Epoch is a dedicated activity scheduler. It allows you to manage multiple mining activities, tasks, and equipment fleets, and apply several different types of dependencies. Populate material parcel attributes automatically. Quickly adjust equipment availability with appointments for individual plant, fleets, or the whole project. Define as many activity types as required and dynamically control which crews and fleets are able to complete these activities for each solid. Utilize scripts to calculate activity durations from the attributes available in each solid. Create task lists to guide the sequence of activities and apply one or more task lists to each fleet or crew. Automatically generate logical dependencies based on 3D location and solid attributes, or manually link any two task types and solids finish to start by selecting the solids on screen. Create dashboard reports which automatically update with each time step for detailed monitoring of product blends, material quantities, and workloads. Visually assess haulage routes used for each parcel in each solid and investigate detailed haulage modeling. Generate end-of-period surfaces and solids for use in other packages.